my pen drive way and I'm DB installing macOS egu me Windows laptop yeso. Also are we interested to know how I'll be your audience so me make sure say me to me boase na my be step by step na ma sa chiri mu sa no oh yeah na easy amount. And you may be here at the macOS installation any good screen is first one any open core simplifier the be macOS system EFI no ehun here say be use open core simplifier na create EFI na free say o computer hardware parts bit say o monitor keyboard mouse e won kasa eka Samsung na o software na oba be install egusu no macOS na eno so won kasa eka nti nimie no ent na ho ase eno na ebeba be gina ntem as a translator ebema nimie no communicate with each other eti yen kwa be for 10 time so na enkotwe na emfa be di dwumai message for open core simplify na mako get to page 1 mako akotwe free on eti me extract media na atwe no na mako folder ni mu akwa akobie open core simplifier.bat no me matem na yi na if say very easy to use the obeya ne so be select one which is select hardware report na choose E which is export hardware report na generate all the needed information about your PC. Such a machine ni no enema ohun macOS version the components be a support code room enti chere me CPU no okay I betimi install macOS latest version taho my machine ni old gaming laptop which is having two graphics card, one for normal tasks which is the Intel one and the other one for gaming and video editing and the rest which is Nvidia graphics card 840M. All those Nvidia GeForce 840M are powerful than the Intel HD graphics, but support I could do High Sierra and Intel bit me support I could do Monterey which is the version 12. Apart from the graphics cards na than the bottleneck no, the rest of the components need to me support could do Tahoe which is the version 26. Because of my graphics card ninety, the best option I made me install my machine way so macOS Monterey 12 now. As I said earlier, the best option for my device is 21, which is macOS Monterey 12. Option way so the kind of drivers I be person me choose to my Wi-Fi card now. Because my machine no support option 1 which uses native Wi-Fi settings menu no. To me choose one. Option 2 no, you need to download a third-party app and sign away to me use Wi-Fi. And it is more for more Wi-Fi card in your officially supported. Now stage way so my option 5 I'm generated the best SM model for my machine. It use MacBook Pro 11 and the my laptop on. Now option 4 now me the kind of drivers are choose the my laptop on. As you can see, app net me generated the best option for my graphics card, me audio, Wi-Fi, anything I can to me. Here say me have me who be mo say install it. Now for the go back to the main menu which is option B. Baby I do akasa me be the open core EFI no. To me bo option 6 na sha say. To say the me can na sha say no. Make sure so connect to internet the amount machine no. And also options be because I choose to be and make sure so choose the one in green no. It media near 3 and a machines be on my just one my USB ports now and it me recognize the pen drive and not be full steps never had laptop we all those a good semi the back but my crash it will work. I create EFI anyway it may bo agree no na a BA folder ni mo amame we copy the auto desktop no sa na me rain fi baby eda na fi the maboke no na a close terminal sisi ama create EFI anyway no give me here be me macOS image file no the main say maybe me browser ni mu na ma type Ularela Hackintosh download na ma call mo site one ma akwa download it said you as you saw earlier say media no support could do Monterey it may hwe Monterey na a download it ti wo dia no support do Tahoe a nso hwe Tahoe na download aha medri mescape add no we are mabo continue na mabo open na the link na nkasa me dey be download na mame Sisi ama download the image file na wie no. Na kabela na eche app na me de be bootable USB drive no. Enti maybe me browser ni mo na makọ omo site ho no makọ akotwen no nso. Sisi ama twen app na wie timi biem na me de bootable no. Enti me select flash from file no na makọ akọ select Ularera Monterey 12.7.6 image na me download here no. Ma select macOS image file na me de ba be bootable na wie no. Na ma bo select target no. Na ma make sure say pen drive na me be use no. 16 gig or above. Because image file na almost 14 gig. Nvidia can say mebo flash and so na bootable process na ashase. Ena aya edim rent aya to bo asema no na validate fast ni nyina sansoma. Ni aye de mania ha ma meto no ma hwia na mafemada timi BNB mu emmi omo kakra de agege mani.
Compared to when he entered the league, this is why he's able to finish so often through contact. Now here's Curry. One up, one down. So it's a narrow victory for the Warriors. Pulling up and up.
Finally, bootable drive na yewie. Me so me de ahihye omo kon kakra. Ye ntoa video ne so. Na ni etwa to okra ni mini partition tool na be use e de a place EFI na de ato bootable drive ne so no. Me de media na to ase ho no. Wetimi akwa download e use. Die ntia me bi app yi mo ne se bootable drive na me create here no ewo EFI partition na eno ya e create nti sa partition no ena me be select na ma format as FAT32 na ma bo apply ne so ama na sha ase ewie se no na me delete a create ne foforo me name ni EFI na ma san so choose FAT32 yes ne so EFI partition na me create in CC ano. The maybe ne say EFI folder na create in the first one. Eno ene be pagya na ye de ato ho no. Ti me kwa copy na ma ba paste egu no. Na mako app ni bio akwa choose partition na ye di ho dwuma CC a change the partition type ID no e de ato EFI. Yes. I'm about applying it so. Lastly, me person niyama be complicated ama me hunti. Ena mate me hard disk ni bia me ye macOS installation ne gusu dada. New volume ya me create e mark no storage no. Me formatting ne with these settings. File system me choose to expert. Allocation size media in na volume label no so my macOS for easy identification. After the tele style we bibia akasi me do machine no na me booty akọ drive no so na ma share macOS installation na se me use Asus laptop enti na me so na me escape no so na booty akọ boot option. Me select me driver no ti we use Dell, HP, Lenovo and different one bia search for boot option key no na also so na wo miemia na ma ba be choose install macOS Monterey no na after dey ma to me boasi ama na boot akọ installer ni. Me select my preferred language which is English. This is what a French and as a Chinese na what choose one so there. Recovery ni mo BSA no me ko Dex utility na ma ko select storage na me ba be macOS ne gusu no. As you saw earlier say me no me name ni macOS nti me ba be select wa hanum na ma ko erase no na format no me choose APFS no. This is because macOS story type I support no. I flash you no na ma board down number close this utility no. After all the needed preparations ni na my year the I can say my boy install macOS Monterey na chassis installation no. Na my boy agree no. So person read the terms and conditions so I bet me so ready. Na my be choose partition na me name in macOS no. Say ebe we ntemo original storage device na we use for this installation. Tiwa we use SSD no. It will take less time as Nvidia will use normal hard disk for this installation. And so it may restart many times. Normal say restart here now what sounds so boot here but driving needs to be no be continue. Nyaka ne sɛ wobɛto wo ase na watwɛn ama installation na wie. It is good sɛ wobɛuse external mouse for macOS processing no, but sɛ wonni bia sɛ wobɛtumi use mouse na ɛwɔ laptop no mu saa. Finally, we are custom setting it up. Nti me choose language a mepɛ. Mewie nso a other options no. Mahwehwɛ me select. Na ma add me username and a password. Siri voice and then me choose ɔbaa ne deɛ no if sɛ bɛrima no bo base dodo. Pepe so mu ade yo nti me choose dark mode no. As you can see, my machine is Asus. By the help of Hackintosh nti me use macOS also. Everything is working. Wi-Fi, BBI ejuma. So booty free pen drive na so no. Ko page ne mo video da hold no my step by step how I'll be ma unhia pen drive ni bi man san booty macOS no. Mempe se video ni be 10 do nti me and then e ha no mo. E be share bi mo video next one so.